Okay, we have one example of a difference between physical and chemical change given in this slide. On one side, you can see a cube of ice which is melting and getting converted into water. And on the other side, you can see that wood is burning. So, melting of ice is a physical change, whereas burning of wood is a chemical change, where the wood is burned and it gives out heat and light energy, and after it completely burns, it gives away the ash is left behind. You cannot get the wood back. Some part of the energy is lost in the form of smoke. So it is a chemical change. So we have one example of chemical change and physical change given here. In the next slide, we will see some more changes. Okay, in this we have several examples of physical and chemical changes given. Physical changes, in a physical change, matter changes form, but not chemical identity. Chemical composition will remain same. Whatever constituents of the substance are present, it will remain as it is. Only the uh, state of the substance, the physical state or physical properties might change. So melting of ice is given as one example. Then chopping wood, shredding paper, and mixing grey and green marbles. So all these are physical changes. Melting of ice, ice gets converted to water, water on boiling gets converted to vapor, and again vapor on condensation gives you back water, and water on freezing gives you ice. So only physical state has changed. Chopping wood, cutting the wood into small pieces doesn't change its properties. Shredding paper, sheet of paper being cut into small pieces doesn't change its properties. And mixing of two different types of marbles. So all these are physical changes. Chemical change, in a chemical change, a chemical reaction occurs and new products are formed. So here we have several examples given. Burning of wood is given. Rotting banana. Once a banana has become ripe and further reaction continues, it will obviously turn it into a stale and a rotting banana. You cannot get the raw one back. So that is one example. Fireworks. There are several chemicals which on lighting react and explode, and they give rise to various colors and heat. Sound energy is given out and we enjoy them in the Diwali. So fireworks are one example of chemical change because a chemical reaction is involved in it. In fruits also, there are so many different types of enzymes and chemicals which are present, which react and convert a raw mango or a raw banana or any other fruit into a ripe one. So it involves chemical reaction. Similarly, mixing vinegar and baking soda. So that is again one chemical reaction which takes place. New substances with altogether different properties are formed. So these are a few more examples. Let's go to the next slide.